Motivate students, teach effortlessly, customize freely, ditch the old redundant classroom review game, and try out our variety of unique and engaging game modes. All right, so this seems to be that they're different types of game modes is what they're selling here. How it works: choose a question set, 2, select game mode, host and join, play to review, analyze the results. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. All right, so let's go and find a Blooket set to test this with and see what happens. Multiplication facts, that's a great one. Everybody needs to practice those, right? All right, Cafe, Tower of Doom, Crazy Kingdom, or Factory. Let's go try Crazy Kingdom. Let's start a game. That looks familiar. Oh, whoa, can I turn some of my mushrooms into people? Sure. Oh, we made them happy. We added more people, but we did lose some trees on that. All right, we need to keep track of that idea, that concept. 7 times 428. Here we go. Do you think I could test out my freeze ray on some people? I'm going to say no, Chief. I'm going to say that might be dangerous, but we did lose 5 happinesses. See what happens if we get one wrong. Incorrect. Can I get 20 gold to turn a pool into a super useful rainbow ball pit? This may not have been a great investment. We made everybody happy, but we spent a lot of gold. And notice we didn't get to make that choice because we got the question wrong. We just got messed over. 5 times 4 is 20. Here we go. You are going to let me bite some people. I'm going to say no, Chief. Okay, so we lost 7 happiness because we made the snake unhappy. But what about all the 55 other people who didn't get bit by the snake? Shouldn't we have got a big happiness boost for that? I mean, come on. All right, let's go here.
Things is never give, and I'll never be. This sing songs us. Sing.
Oh, yeah, I'll give it to you because I want to run out of stuff in game over. Oh, I ran out of gold. Shouldn't have gave that guy all the rest of my gold. Oh, look at that. So we can spend our tokens, little prizes and stuff. I got 51 tokens, so I could buy a little Christmas set, a breakfast set, medieval box, Wonderland box. Let's buy a Blizzard box. We got a new block out of that. A hot chocolate. It's uncommon. All right, let's discover a set. Let's do Disney characters, and let's host a game here. Santa's Workshop, Gold Quest, Factory, Kingdom's on here too. All right, Tower of Doom. Rapid Fire, fun. Let's host this game. Let's go by time. And let's bring it down to 1 minute. Let's host now. We are waiting in the lobby for the host to start us up here. Let's start the game. Answer questions. Build toys. Choose helpers. Sabotage, steal, and multiply toys. Most toys after 1 minute wins. Good luck and happy holidays. Our minute's up. I was in first place with 321 toys. Yes! I can add my account, save my progress, and earn my tokens and everything, so that's cool. So I could build up those tokens to spend on things and customize my game for when we play in the future. And I would assume that those tokens and everything are probably going to roll over to other teachers' classrooms and everything where you're playing with the same Google School login.